Yeah,
kind of spectrum?
my son was diagnosed when he was 5 years old. He's 24 now, hence me being with Autism Tree for 18, I guess it would be 19 years now, because we started with him when he was 5 years old. Hey, we need everybody in the auditorium. If you're going inside, they need you in the auditorium. Sorry, was that on tape? When we started doing events with our kids instead of just with the parents, which is why I run the mentor programs that I do, because it gets kids out, and the kids are the real reason that we're all in this autism club together. And every kid is different, every kid deserves opportunities to be themselves, and every kid's not into everything, so Autism Tree offers a lot of different programs. There's music and dance and sports and Legos and art and whatever kids might be interested in, just to give them a chance to see what they thrive in. Of what we can offer families and kids to get out of the house, get away from their iPads and come out and experience life.